Today I will relax and receive all the good that is coming to me. For I know that all things work together for my good. So I will relax and enjoy the beauty that's around me. Life is going on all around me. And I am grateful for my vision to be able to see it. I'm thankful for my emotions to love it. Thank you. Today, I expect I will accomplish my task. I will lean to those divine, inspired unctionings within me to keep me going. Life is unfolding wonderfully. Today, I'll spread joy and love. Maybe call a friend I haven't spoken to in years. Hopefully, their number still works. I appreciate everyone that has spoken life into me. Bless them. Lord, bless them. I've never seen today, but I'm excited about the adventure that is about to unfold. I'm strong, equipped, powerful, and covered with grace. I face it fearlessly. For whatever I put my hands to shall prosper. I delight in the promises of the Lord, for his word is true. Today I will think of only on good things, things that are true, pure, just, praiseworthy. I will not clutter my mind or allow thoughts contrary to the things I desire in my path to interfere or distract me from my goals. Thank you, my goals are easily accomplished, for I move through inspired actions. Woo! I thank you for imagination, for I can imagine the things that I desire and be guided in my path to attain it. I'm grateful for today. I am refreshed, renewed, restored, and most of all, loved by the Creator who's blessed me to create. Thank you. Today I have a completely new canvas in which to paint a beautiful day. Today is a good day.